Hi, I'm Penny Davidi, mom, chef, wife, a lover of travel, and a foodie at heart. Over the past 40 years, I've traveled this beautiful country and this incredible state, and I've tasted some of the best food there is. And now I'd like to share that with you. Join me on Penny Eats LA. Margarita in hand. Clearly, they thought I was thirsty. Here, it's a beautiful day in sunny Southern California, and I'm at my favorite spot for the best Mexican in LA, Baja Cantina, right here in Venice Beach, where Chef Miguel has prepared some of the most delicious new dishes for me to try. Can't wait to see what he's got in the kitchen. Let's go. Miguel, this looks amazing.
Thank you very much.
I don't even know where to begin. I don't even know what to say. You have elevated Mexican food to whole new heights with this cuisine right here.
Thank you, and I'm excited for it. You know, we're just trying to make our best to make this thing better.
Absolutely.
Make it better than, Cantina.
Absolutely, absolutely. And so you're gonna tell me a little bit about what we have here, because I'm gonna dig in.
Right here we got the Mexican pizza, which is like pureed beans with avocado leaves, and we got the Oaxacan cheese.
Look at that.
Cabbage.
Oh my God. Hold on,
and
hold on. And this thing looks like it's low in carbohydrates.
That's right.
Whatever works for you. But it really is, because look how thin and perfect this is. And the beans are protein. And there's chorizo?
There's chorizo in it.
And you can do it without the chorizo if you don't want that.
Yeah.
But otherwise, it's just protein, really, and a little bit of carbohydrates.
Exactly, and it's handmade corn tortillas.
Handmade. I'm gonna take a bite.
Really good.
That's delicious. That's delicious. And so different.
Yeah, it's way different. You know, we're trying to make a little like Oaxacan style.
I like that Oaxacan style. So when I come to Baja Cantina, I'm not getting just normal Mexican food.
No, you're getting Oaxacan and Mexican style.
Oh, so like a little bit sexier then.
Exactly.
Right? Of course, of course. And then, so what do we have here? This is your famous ceviche.
That's
which
my
I'm
famous
obsessed
ceviche.
about.
It's cooked on lemon juice, homemade,
Wow.
fresh shrimp every day, and it has avocado,
Mango.
pineapple,
Yum.
and some to give it a good heat. We got some serrano chiles.
That's a hit, all right. That's why I got
good.
the drink here. Ooh, nice. I said I was thirsty, but you guys went overboard.
Yeah, it's really good. Everything's good, you know.
And wow, that's really,
It's really good.
it's so fresh. And a little sweet from the pineapple, the mango,
And the loose
avocado, done perfectly. And last but not least,
The last one, we got the, this is my mother-in-law recipe,
this is
Which
his
is-
mother-in-law's recipe.
which is really, really good. You know, it's a
Okay.
chicken sauté with onion, tomatoes.
Also the inside.
The inside's the flavor part.
So it's a chicken taquito.
It's a chicken taquito. That's
And
the-
you're making the taquito. All this is made from
All-
scratch. This is not like
all made
packaged
with- yes.
anything. Amazing.
everything made from scratch, and it's homemade everything.
Oh. Oh.
Everything's
That
really
is
good.
so good. That is so good. So flavorful. So delicious. I mean, you're beyond a cantina.
Thank you.
Because there's more than nachos and fajitas here, clearly.
Yes.
Come check them out. really amazing stuff.
Exactly. Everything's
And this beautiful outdoor setting. I feel like I'm at the beach, sitting on the beach on sand, here with Chef Miguel at Baja Cantina in Venice Beach. And you're awesome.
Thank
rock.
you, and I appreciate it. Like I say, I just want to make this get out there so customer can know about us, and make it bigger Oaxacan style.
Come check out Oaxacan style. Why not? And that pizza, incredible. Next time, Penny Eats LA.
Thank you.
Awesome. This is really good. I'm gonna get back.